Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to change Facebook page name. The name changing option is both the same for a Facebook page and a Facebook account. So let me show you in my Facebook account. Just head over to the three lines icon on the upper right corner and you will find this option. And go to settings and privacy, open the drop down box and here go to settings. Here you have to go to Meta Account Center and here head over to your profiles. Go to your Facebook profile page and in here you will find the option of name, username, profile picture and avatar. So go to name. As we want to change our name of our Facebook page, you have to just change the first name, middle name and surname from here. And once you change this, just tap on the review change option and the name will be changed with that instant. And make sure to save it, and once you are done, this will help you just to save your Facebook name option. This is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.